order and judgment of ex parte declares.
So we are not finding any reason to interfere with this. We just need to be satisfied that you were noticed. It's an ex parte order, but we'll see the records of this case. Let the records of
My lord,
we are not passing any order.
My lord, if my lord permits, I would like to play something, your lordship. My lord, since the marriage is on 8th, your lordship, I filed one supplementary. Maybe
that's
it is
right. We remember this, that only because of your statement that the husband is going to marry somebody.
My lord, I have annexed a card
We
along with
believe
this.
your statement. There is no need to give any evidence for that. Notwithstanding that statement, that is the statement which goaded us to bring this matter on board. But then that's no ground for us to interfere. We are not even noticing the husband. Now we'll see the records whether you have been properly noticed. It's a gunshot marriage, right?
According to them, your lordship.
According to them.
My lord.
So therefore, why did you not appear before the court?
My lord, I have filed for the certified copy of the proceedings,
that's right.
Your lordship.
Why did you get any notice?
My lord, notice were there, my lord. They have been according to them, they have been served, my lord. But my lord, we have never received, your lordship, and through newspaper, my lord, there is there very much there in the proceeding, my lord.
We will see from the records. Your statement is not inspiring confidence, right? Your means your clients.
Yes, my lord.
So therefore, we would like to see that.
She is a lady, my lord. She is not at all, my lord, illiterate lady. She was not being able to know, my lord, whether the notice were there, and it was coming to the newspaper, lordship, and thereafter, my lord, several proceedings were there, my lord. She did not appear, and thereafter, ex parte order has been passed, my lord. And now he is getting married, my lord, the respondent.
On the contrary, see, if he gets married during the subsistence or whatever, if this is found to be incorrect, that is his risk. But the matter is that we find from the complaint which was brought on record that the man was taken forcibly inside the courtyard of your father, where he was made to put vermilion on the forehead of the girl of the appellant. And later, a day after, the parents of the boy were informed. Now, on the contrary, the newspaper report that you are talking about, the newspaper report was of a junior engineer employed in a department of the government, having been kidnapped and was made to marry. Now, you don't appear. You are a lady, all right, but your father, your brother, all of them, you are not staying with the husband. You have been staying with your father.
Because of
therefore, let the court ask for the records of the case. We can't pass any order, right? We are not even noticing the husband, because we don't find any fault with the order primarily, prima facie. Take down.
But my lord, I have never been given a chance to place myself. No, neither of my document has been considered.
So
because
that's right. If you don't appear before the court, what will happen?
Since it was not known to me, my lord, it was only published on the newspaper, my lord, and thereafter the proceeding started.
Are you understanding what the court is saying?
My lord.
In order to testify, in order to verify whether you were properly noticed, we are asking for the records. If you have not been appropriately noticed, no efforts have been made, we will remand the case back to the family court. But not now without our confirming, because the statement made by you in your appeal, it is not inspiring confidence. Now let the court dictate the order.
My only concern is, your lordship, the marriage is on the 8th, my lord. That is why I am a bit worried, my lord.
We can't put a spanner in that. Take down. The appellant has challenged the ex parte order, ex parte judgment in matrimonial case number 187 of 2018, whereby a decree of divorce has been passed. There is nothing in the memo of appeal to indicate whether the appellant had been noticed. Let the records of the matrimonial case of 187 of 2018 be summoned and be placed along with the record on the next date. Re-notify on after 2 weeks.